I went to this section.
This is the process of stringing up and tensioning the hide.
So yeah, the one woman, she's just listening while the other ladies all brag about what school they went, what college they went to, and what their son's doing. And they finally get to her, and they're like, "So, what do you do?" And she's like, "Well, my husband, he's a sea captain, and he sent me to charm school, and they taught me to say that's nice instead of fuck you." So now sometimes I'm like, "That's nice."
That's nice.
Do you need any more clamps?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We've got right now 6, and we need 12.
12? Alright.
We've got one here that has no nuts.
And where are the rest of the clamps that are?
I don't know.
Should I find you some rocks? Here you go.
Yeah, we have. I'm surprised he's using such big critters for pippins.
Do you have any more of the smaller?
I actually use.
Must be the wrench.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I wish.
Because when I've tried pippins, I do about the size of an eraser head.
Yeah.
I get a much better result.
Coolits. Gotta talk about everybody here. Hey.
Hey, Bo. Bo.
That's nice.
Bo. Did we clean these off?
No, not yet. I'm looking for my Windex.
Oh, that's
I
nice.
don't know. I thought I brought it.
I gotta remember that one. I'm gonna take that one home.
My mom's from Alabama. I'm quite familiar with the concept.
What?
My mother's from Alabama. I'm quite familiar with the concept.
That's nice.
That's nice.
That's
Oh,
nice.
sugar.
Did you hear what I just said?
Bless her heart.
Yeah.
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 That.
Did you hear what I just said? This is JP was just saying, you know, when I do the pippins at home, I use them. They're about the size of an eraser. I said, oh, and he said, and they go in really easy. It's really easy to do this. And I said, oh, that's nice.
No, I was just, you know,
Oh, that's nice.
this has been a very educational day for me, just seeing how we've got, exactly like I said, we got 3 different people, 3 different kingdoms, everybody's got a different method.
Oh yeah, absolutely. This is exactly why I wanted to do this.
Yeah.
And it all, all egos aside, man. This is how you get better at doing stuff collectively.
Well, I think I nailed him too. I always thought.
You have Mjolnir right next to you.
What was the hammer that then?
That's fine. Better than nothing.
Whoa.
Hopper.
Yep.
Oh wow.
All right.
That good's trying to escape.
Is that a skin you brought back?
Yep.
Where'd that clamp go?
Big it is.
Oh, it's right there. Still on the string.
Wow.
So you said these had ticks?
Yeah.
The deer did.
The dead ones are on the neck.
They were frozen, so they would have been dead.
Oh, no.
After 4 days in lime, I'm sure they would have been dead
You're not gonna be
anyway.
able to keep that skin.
I got them when we
What I
put
was
them in the
saying
freezer,
was-
that kills
what?
most
Are you gonna be able
Yep,
to
it
keep that
does.
goat skin, that extra skin?
I'll ask Lily tonight if she'll let me throw it in the freezer at home, but you saw her reaction.
Yeah, I'll throw it away.
I'm
I hate
sure
to.
somebody
I hate
else
doing
did.
that.
Yeah.
Do you want
I don't know where to
one
freeze
side?
it. Well, she said talk to what, Cobra Commander or something?
Creature.
Creature. Okay. I didn't know that was a joke. I didn't know who it was. Creature. That's it.
Yeah.
Or you can do a demonstration of what happens if you leave it in the lime bath too long.
Oh no. Yeah, let's not get invited back to
Under a
Pensick, Karen.
mulberry tree, pull it off.
I did that one. Oh, I had to. You know when they talk about women with perfume rags?
Oh no, yeah.
Okay.
The pomanders.
I had to take lavender and mentholate
I
and
couldn't
smash it into the dust mask
Could I
in order to handle that hide.
Could I find a Vicks vapor rub? I don't remember. I think that's why I gave you the lavender.
Maybe.
We have a friend that's a sheriff, and when he goes to houses where there's dead people that've been there a while, he doesn't just rub it and it's.
Stuffs it.
Well, I know a guy, and he goes to death scenes too, and he just puts it on the inside of his dust mask.
Oh wow.
But like this coffee, though, they all laugh at him because he gets to this things that you sniff, the plastic things.
Oh yeah,
And he just
sticks them with his nose.
Yeah, he just sticks them both up his nose.
Y'all no string anymore?
I cut all the rest of the pieces right here.
How about some of the clamps? We got any clamps?
Yeah.
We do? Oh,
Both got the clamps. Got the clamps.
we got the clamps.
I don't know. I'd rather wear a dust mask because that way you don't taste it in your mouth either.
I just took the other complete opposite direction and destroyed my nose. So,
Can't you taste some things in your mouth if it smells bad enough?
kinda, but it's got to be a super nasty smell.
That you're like you can taste it.
Save you as much string as possible.
You know, like I can definitely smell. I can still pick up on rot. You know, like the carcass that's been sitting out too long in the sun.
All right, you guys got this. I'm gonna go help them spray.
Yep.
Yeah, coming right along out there.
Some wooden pigs.
They're up here. They're up here.
Won't need many. You can only get 6 plants. You will only need 6 plants.
My dad said when he was a little kid, he's hiking with one of his friends. They came across a carcass of a cow, and it was really blown up like a balloon. And his buddy thought it'd be fun to shoot it with his BB gun.
Oh,
I'll do it
God.
for 'em.
It made a whistling noise. It was like going like, and then it hit him. And he said they both just dropped everything they had with them and ran for their lives.
Good.
And
So
just
that was
stretching
really
out.
bad for him to leave his gun and everything. You know.
Got nails over here. Get 'em?
The way he describes it, it's hard for me to imagine how horrible it must have been.
Oh, rotted carcasses are awful. It's
Yeah, but I came out of the tannery, so you know the number of barrels you would get that you'd have something that was completely unidentifiable. You'd be surprised.
Oh, yeah.
You know, there's nothing quite like opening up a 55-gallon drum full of eel skins.
Why do you have a 5-gallon drum full of...
55.
Why?
Because an eel skin is, when it comes in, they're about that wide, about that long, but they make fantastic wallet leather.
I know, but like, why would you not know you had a bucket of them?
Oh no, because they were being shipped to the tannery to tan.
So,
But if they're not properly blued, they go bad.
yeah, so like you forgot them and you went back to work. What's this?
No. So they'd been brought in from a Chinese vendor that wanted them tanned. But they didn't blue them properly. And bluing is basically a saline solution, but it's super salty, right? And it's supposed to preserve the skin if you do it right, but they completely jacked up the formula.
Yeah.
So by the time it got to us, which was 2 days later,
Yeah.
it was a giant gelatinous rotting ball. And that was a fun day.
I'll tell you about my fun day.
That's just the F word I used when I opened that barrel.
One day Bo was expecting a helmet in the mail, so I knew a box was coming. But when the post lady came and she rang the doorbell and said, "This is a hot mess," I would just bring it to the post office if I was you. I was just kind of like, okay. And she handed me a plastic bag that felt like it was full of water. And I was like, I don't know how a helmet could turn into this. Anyway, I opened it up and there was like a melted box in there, and it smelled like really white. And I found some melted kind of paperwork in amongst the plastic bags and the weird brown water. Okay, so the spring had been months, like 6 months, probably 6 months. That spring I had ordered live tadpoles. And they're supposed to come in 2 days because they're live. And they didn't show up, so I called the people and they're like, "Oh, the lady in shipping, she must have messed up. We'll send you some more." So when I got them, I didn't ever realize that the first box was lost.
Oh,
It had been
lost in
It had
shipping.
been lost in shipping that long, and I was like just mad. I'm like, why the hell did they bother the post office like give me a wet bag of like rotten fish?
because they're legally obligated to if they find it.
And then so I went to the postal carrier. So I called the people I bought it from, and I told them what happened. They're like, "Oh, I'm so sorry." They're like, "No, ship it back to us."
Please no.
And they said just bring it back to the post office or something, but don't ship it back to us. So I took it back to the post office, and I said, why did you ship this to me like this? And they're like, I don't know why it got lost. I have no idea. But once it gets to us where we are, by law, we have to give it to you. And the only thing, and that's like, they wouldn't just notify the sender. They had to actually mail it back to them legally too. For me to get, like, oh no.
Sorry.
So I feel kind of bad.
I'm having a
that they
super bad
They
day
got
here
it
today.
sent back to somebody else, and another postman had to deal with it.